Good. Holy crap. This is awesome. I can't believe I found all this jewelry. That's crazy. That's what I thought too. I was like, why is all this jewelry here? And someone must have just threw it in because they're mad at somebody, though. Holy crap. We're rich. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it.
Alright, so my second air tank just died on me, but we found some incredible stuff. My favorite find of the day definitely has to be all this jewelry. Check this out. I don't know like how expensive all this jewelry is, but I came across it at the very end of my dive, and I have no idea why all this is in the river. My best guess of why all this is in the river is maybe a boyfriend got mad at his girlfriend and threw it all in. I don't know what that is, but I put it on my wrist because it looked cool. But I got a lot of rings, some bracelets, but this is really cool, man. I don't know how valuable any of this stuff is. Some of it's rusty, like this one right here is not in the best condition. This little bracelet's not in the best condition either, but found some pearls and some diamonds around the pearls. I'm not too sure what type of jewelry this is right here, but I also found this pretty flower. I've never found this much jewelry in my entire life, and it was all in one spot, so the person must have just threw everything out, but this is crazy. I'm really excited to see if this is worth anything. I don't think that's really worth all too much, but I got a nice watermelon ring. Got some awesome bracelets, a little star bracelet right there. I also have another ring over here. But man, what a great find. That is awesome.